Division of fractions. To divide fractions, multiply the first fraction by the reciprocal of the second fraction. The reciprocal of a number is that number written as 1 divided by that number. For example, the reciprocal of 4/5 is obtained by reversing the fraction. The numerator becomes the denominator and vice versa. But why do we turn a division into multiplication by using the reciprocal? Because dividing two fractions is really asking how many times does the second fraction fit into the first. Using the reciprocal makes this easy. It lets us compare the two values by multiplication, which is usually more straightforward to compute than doing the division directly. We have written the reciprocal of 4/5, which is 5/4. And now we multiply 2/3 by 5/4. Then we multiply the numerators between them, 2 times 5, and multiply the denominators between them, 3 times 4. So we reverse 4/5 to 5/4, and now we multiply across 2 times 5 and 3 times 4. So the division 2/3 by 4/5 results in 10/12. Let's simplify 10/12 by dividing both sides of the fraction by 2 to get 5/6. Going back, we could have simplified the numerator 2 and the denominator 4 by dividing both by 2, obtaining 1 in the numerator and 2 in the denominator. That would have led us directly to the final result, 5/6. Instead of simplifying later, we simplified first and got the same result, 5/6.